Hello, boys and girls. We're from Leadership, and we're getting psyched about nature!
Deer!
Hi, I'm Bob Ross. I'm here today to paint some wildlife with you. I heard you getting pretty excited. Oh, what a treat we have here, guys. We got a little happy deer over here. So we're gonna paint this happy deer with a little bit of crimson. A little bit of crimson and some midnight black, okay? Okay, so just mix it up here on your palette, and we're just gonna go up and down. Up and down. We're gonna take some more crimson, maybe a little bit of magenta, just to get his nose perfect. And we're gonna right there. He's kind of a happy little demonic deer.
I think it has rabies.
Kind of has rabies. Looks like it. It's a beautiful deer. There are no unhappy accidents, only happy accidents here in God's kingdom, folks. That's today. Goodbye. Hanging from a tree. Titanic! Kayaking!
Backwards kayaking! So what's the problem, Rachel? What's the problem?
It's not a joke anymore!
What's wrong?
Some snow.
Snowshoeing!